In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your American Express membership rewards points to Emirates Skywards and what to know before you do it. This process lets you turn credit card rewards into airline miles, which can be useful for booking flights or upgrades with Emirates. To get started, you'll need to log into your American Express account and head to the Rewards or Membership Rewards section, where all point redemptions are managed. From there, you'll find travel-related options and a list of airline partners available for point transfers. Selecting Emirates Skywards will show you the transfer details, including the conversion rate and important terms. Before confirming anything, it's essential to double-check that your Emirates Skywards account is correctly linked, since transfers usually can't be reversed once submitted. Processing times can vary, and availability of award flights depends on Emirates' own rules, not American Express. This means it's smart to check flight availability with Skywards before moving your points. When used strategically, transferring points can offer strong value, but it always depends on your travel plans and flexibility. Subscribe for more honest tips on using credit card rewards the smart way.